Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and unlocking status. This avoids activation failures. Once done, power off the phone to prevent short circuits, locate the SIM tray or remove the back cover, and use the eject tool precisely. Make sure you have the carrier activation code and your SIM PIN available. This saves time during setup. You also want a quick backup of contacts and any eSIM profiles, because physical insertion can overwrite or prompt reconfiguration. You now place the SIM into the tray, aligning the notch and ensuring the gold contacts face down. This prevents read errors. Once seated, gently slide the tray back until it is flush. Avoid forcing it. You should feel a subtle click. Power on the device and observe the notification area for carrier signal or activation prompts. If the phone asks for a PIN, enter it now. Then, access settings to confirm network registration and update APN settings if text, data, or MMS fail to function. You finish by completing carrier activation. Use the carrier app, website, or the automated call flow. Activation often takes minutes. Once activated, test calls, SMS, and data. If something fails, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, reset the SIM, and verify APN settings. These quick steps fix most issues. If prompted for a PUK because of a blocked PIN, contact your carrier immediately. Using the wrong PUK repeatedly can permanently lock the SIM, so handle that code carefully and store it securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.